Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing to share with you and it is a one-off box from Next and it's all Too Faced beauty products. They've just released a NARS one, they've got an Elemis one, I can't remember what else is there. There's a few grooming boxes for men as well. I will list all of them down below in my description, or tell you what, I'll pop a link to the page where they all are. So if you're interested in taking a look to see what other boxes they have, then I'll pop it down in my description, as well as a link to this box. Inside contains 5 Too Faced products. It costs £40 and the value is over £100. Now, I quite like Too Faced. There's a few products that I've tried, namely the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. That's been a favourite of mine for many, many years. But I fancy this. I don't think I've ever owned a Too Faced eye palette before, and I just thought, ooh, do you know what, for £40, that's not too bad. This is the first time I've opened it up to have a look. So we got a card here, and does it tell you? Yeah, it tells you information about the products. It looks beautiful! Look, 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 look. Okay. Discover their iconic bestsellers from Too Faced that have taken the beauty industry by storm. Whether you're heading out or getting glam at home, we've got everything you need to own your pretty. Starting with a 3-in-1 setting spray. This is the Hangover Prime, Set and Refresh. It contains coconut water, probiotic based ingredients and skin revivers. Silicone free, alcohol free, oil free, and there's 30 mils here. So I've actually got one of these. The packaging is absolutely gorgeous, isn't it? It is so beautiful. Yeah, I really like this spray. I use it before makeup and I've used it after makeup just to freshen up my face as well. It's a really nice size, nice handy sort of to take away sort of size as well. I got a little mini one there. I'm going to be doing a full face of Too Faced very, very soon. I'm collaborating with Feel Unique. So they're kindly sending me a few Too Faced products because Too Faced has just launched on their website. And they asked if I'd like to collaborate again. So I thought doing a full face of just one brand of makeup would be quite cool. So I'm going to be saving all these products and mixing them with what I've already got and what I'm sent to create a video dedicated to Too Faced to let you know what my thoughts are on it. So there's that. Next up we have got the eyeliner. This is the Better Than Sex eyeliner. I haven't tried this. This is in deepest black. Oh, what's it like? Oh, it's a brush. Really nice brush nib. So you can get some really, really fine lines. Yeah, I love that. Or I can go thicker, see? There. Yeah, that's gorgeous. It's got an eyeliner. Then I've got a full size Better Than Sex mascara. I've got a few mini of these. We get them in different subscription boxes now and again. And it's a beautiful mascara. It's really great. I love the wand. Can you see it dips in the middle there? But I've got really short, straight, non-existent type eyelashes really. It really grabs them and lengthens them. Yeah, I'm really chuffed that I've got a full-size version. Now on to Lip Injection Extreme. Now, I tried a lip injection from a beauty box. I think it was Look Incredible. I think so. And oh my word, the pain! The pain! I tried it on my lips, obviously, and I tried it on my hand, and I noticed when I tried it on my hand that I was left with a big red mark that didn't go down for ages and ages. And this was a couple of years ago now, and I went onto Instagram and I said, look, is this normal? Because it was red. It looked like I'd been sucking on strawberries all afternoon, you know, not so much big and fat and plumping but just red and sore looking. And someone suggested looking at the sell by date, and yeah, it was about 5-6 years out of date. And that's why I won't subscribe to Look Incredible again. So we got a little mini one here, so I'm guessing all is okay with this one. Let's have a look. It is extreme. You're not going to see anything. Well, not yet, anyway. Oh, it's deep heat. That's what it is, isn't it? It smells of mint and deep heat. It's the deep heat that plumps. Instant and long-term lip plumper. Our breakthrough formula delivers immediate and long-term plumping with advanced lip volumizing technologies. Apply day and night to dramatically hydrate, nourish and increase volume. We will see. And lastly, one of the main reasons I got this box, we've got a Born This Way Natural Nudes palette. Now, I love Born This Way foundation. I love that. I tried that a couple of years ago and it is a gorgeous, gorgeous foundation, and that's one of the items that I have chosen with Feel Unique, so I can't wait to get it again. This is beautiful. It looks stunning. I'll give you a first look. Oh, so we've got a mirror up there. So this is the Born This Way, the nudes. Let's see. Instantly loving this sort of base shade here. Yeah, I like that. Oh yeah. I really love that you've got a gorgeous glittery shimmery shade that coincides with each matte. Can you see? Hopefully you'll be able to see the camera pick that up. I really like that. But let's try a few then. Oh, this golden one looks gorgeous. They're really nice shades. I do really like that. So yeah, so those are all the items in this box. I am chuffed I've got it. It is more on the pricier side. Their boxes start from about £12, but you're usually looking at about £30, £40, £50 for branded boxes, like the Elemis one, I believe that is £45 on their website. The NARS one I think is £35. But it all depends on the value. Obviously, the higher the value, the higher the cost. But I do think for £40 for all these, you know, saving over £60 is worth it. I'm really glad I got it. Mascara alone is £22. I'm not too sure about the eyeliner or the palette, but they're both full size as well. So yeah, I am really happy. I am really happy. Got some new Too Faced makeup to play with. But I'd love to hear what you think. Did you go for this box? Especially love to hear what you think about Next in general, doing these boxes. And what brands would you love to see? Yeah, I would love to see a Huda Beauty. I'd love to see a Fenty, an Hourglass. I doubt it, but I would love an Hourglass. What else would I like? A Charlotte Tilbury one. There's so many lovely brands that they could work with. I'd love to hear what you would want, so please comment down below. But yeah, so take care and I'll speak to you all again soon. Bye.